There must be a better solution. Hi everyone, Mark from The Spark here. Yes, there must be a better solution, a more minimalist solution than this big old cradle, which for a long time has served me well. In fact, I'm recording on my iPhone 15 Pro Max using one of these as well. But it's a bit of a faff. It's a bit kind of, this thing, you have to loosen it and unloosen it occasionally. It's got quite a short thread and you unloosen it too far, it folds away. Sometimes when I'm putting the iPhone in here, particularly the bigger one, I accidentally start the video recording because I press the volume button, or I don't leave enough space on the end here for the wireless mic that I normally use. Small problems, but when you're recording, you want your process to go as smoothly as possible. And here's the other thing as well, while I was considering that, I have recently started dipping my toe into the whole vlogging scene. And I released 3 videos on this channel, and just to kind of an experiment really to see how it would go. Now it's clear that the YouTube algorithm didn't particularly like or didn't want to show those videos to a bigger audience, a wider audience, and they went really badly. Now, I still like the idea of vlogging, so I'm going to probably create a second channel, which will just purely be my vlogging channel. So either you can come and follow along on that channel, or it will find its whole audience as well, because I'll be talking about not just tech stuff, but kind of life stuff and things like that. So it got me thinking, is there a cleaner solution than this? And is there a solution that could also serve the whole vlogging thing? So when I'm out and about, and I've got my tripod here, because that's ideally how I'd want to vlog, is kind of hold a tripod at arm's length and have the phone here on the top. Because holding a phone like this, which I'm presently doing, particularly the larger iPhone 15 Pro, it just, you're kind of having to do a little bit of hand gymnastics and kind of hold it without getting your hand in the way and press record, and doesn't feel really secure. I could drop the thing at any point. Now, I thought there must be a solution. So I thought, what do I want on here? Well, I thought it'd be really great if I could have MagSafe, if I could utilize MagSafe, which I could then very quickly and simply and securely fasten my phone to it, and boom, away we go. And all I'm going to take is this and this, and that just feels better. It feels more natural. And if I want to put it on a wall using this particular tripod, which is a Manfrotto one, I can just stick it on a wall or something like that, and I've got an instant tripod. So I thought there must be a solution that I can attach to this that uses the MagSafe on these phones. Well, I found one, and it's from Newer. And it's simply called the Magnetic Phone Tripod Adapter Vlog Holder. Boom, that's what I was after. All right, this is what I got delivered. Really simple, really sleek, and really easy to use. So I've got one of these shoe mount things here made by Moman, I believe it is. And so I just screw this onto the top of the adapter here. On top of the tripod here. Moved it down here, and then what that means is I can take this, unscrew this, because this section here I don't actually need. I'll show you why. Oh, that's a strong magnet. It's in case you've got a phone that hasn't got MagSafe on it, you can utilize the same thing here. You just tap it to there and then screw it in there. Well, I don't need that. I don't need this little screw here, so I will put that back in there. I don't need this bit here again, which is one of the cold shoes, is that what you call it? I don't need that bit either. I literally just need this to fasten to this. So I'll get this section here. I'll just screw that in. Okay, properly secure, not going to go anywhere. Tighten that up. There we are. And now my solution is, boom, on the back like that, properly not going to come off. And so if you imagine I'm out and about, I get this quickly out of my bag, or even I've been holding it on the way and I've got something inspirational I want to share with the world, take that out, bob that on there, boom, done. Can even do some shorts videos as well by doing that. But there we are, a really simple, clean solution. And again, it's nicely weighted. Oops, just need to screw that in a little bit tighter. There we go, that was my fault, not the equipment's fault. And there we are. And it's nicely weighted and it will work incredibly well. So that will help my vlogging, I think. And yeah, I may even utilize it on a proper tripod as well, so I don't have to use this big old thing here as well. So I may get myself another one of these. I think I paid about $34.99 or something like that. Could have been a little bit more. I'll put the link in the description box below, an affiliate link, if you want to go check this out for yourself. So there we go. Quick, short video about the newer magnetic iPhone tripod adapter, which I think is going to serve me incredibly well.